Today, we are going to talk about the educational system in the United Kingdom.
Generally speaking, the whole schooling can be divided into 3 stages: compulsory education, further education, and higher education, state schools and public schools. There is a complete system of primary and secondary education in the UK. All children must, by law, receive full-time education between the ages of 5 and 16. Or we call that stage compulsory education. And most of the children may attend school provided by the public authorities without paying any fees. We call it state school. Alongside the state schools, there are a small number of private schools which provide education for about 6% of the school population. In Britain, these schools are called public schools or independent schools. These schools are financially supported by tuition fees and private funds. Most of their students come from rich families and are very likely to go on to famous universities. Here, the most ones you are thinking about, where people live in a mansion and wear in a very decent uniform, and some of them are world famous. Primary school. Children in the UK start primary school around the late 4 to 5. And the first year is called reception or year R, where help children fit to school life. So you start year 1, year 2, year 3, all the way up to year 6. By that point, you should be around 11. You have exams that determine what level you will be in at secondary school. Secondary school. When you turn 12, you go to secondary school. Most day schools these days are comprehensive, meaning that they accept students of every academic ability. There are also 2 other parallel systems: secondary modern and the grammar school. Children could choose type of schools based on the results of tests they take at 11. Grammar schools, being more academic, go there if you are clever enough. And the secondary moderns, more vocational. You will learn more career skills there. This selective educational system gives every child an equal and complete chance to study. That secondary school is between ages 12 to 16. You go all the way through from year 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and in year 11 you have exams called GCSEs. Then you have choices to make. Sixth form or college. Now you are 16 years old, the school leaving age. In the UK, you can stop school at 16. You are okay to just go straight into work. Do whatever you want. Or you can go on to study. You can go sixth form or college. Sixth form or college or work, you have choices. A sixth form is attached to your secondary school. So you would do year 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, sixth form. It means you would do 2 years of the sixth form. Year 12 and year 13. Study academics like maths, English, sciences, and languages. And then you have to take A-level exams, kind of like AP exam in the US, but different. When you finish the sixth form, obviously you go on to university. But a college is a separate institution. So after year 11 at secondary school, you'd go to a completely different place and do 2 years at the college. There you study things like hairdressing, plumbing, vocational studies that aren't academic. and after 2 years study, you take the exam to get a GNVQ. You can choose to go on to university or not. University. There are around 130 universities in the UK. In the 2019 QS World University Ranking, the UK is number 2 in the world, following the US. Like the Ivy League in the US, there are G5, Red Brick universities, and the Russell Group in the UK. Apart from many famous comprehensive universities and university colleges, there are universities specializing in certain subjects in the UK, like CSM, Central St. Martin's, which is famous for its fashion designers. Loughborough University, which holds great reputation for sports. Royal Central School of Speech and Drama is a place to produce great actors. Cranfield University, that is, specializes in aerospace and has its own airport. You'll find more details on the university system in the UK in the textbook. So, what do you say about the British education system? Do you think it is good or not to have a selective system of education? Let's discuss in the classroom. See you.